welcome to the Adventures of the Hendersons and the Fabine. So right now I'm with Joey again. again. So we're, as you've noticed, they're preparing now with their the food. Hi te. Kumusta man ka? Uy. Papa. Saktong panahon. So they are wala te. Balik. So they're preparing lechon, and that's my gwapong brother. Gwapo siya sa iyang pananaw. Yeah, good thing he's home right now. Because I thought that he wouldn't come for this anniversary. But right now he's helping my father and the rest of the crew and the rest of the members of the church in helping in preparing the food. So mo ni siya ang paborito sa mga Pinoy nga lechon. Pero karon lang gamay lang among lechon. Gamay ra man jud. Gamay kay wika. Yeah, it's not that big, but at least we have lechon. Thank you for the sponsor. And that's my father. Oh. And he doesn't have any sleep. Wala ka natulog? Wala ka nakatulog pa? Yeah. He's been awake for 24 hours and half. So can you explain to me how are you going to how can you cook the lechon?
No, I can't explain.
Why?
I don't know how to cook this.
Yeah, he's the one who's just rolling the baboy, the pig, roasting the pig in the fire.
The pig is running.
The pig is running? Yeah, the pig is running earlier, like 2 a.m.
The pig doesn't want to,
Doesn't want to
kill.
Yeah. The pig doesn't want to die. He's saving himself of the burning fire. And my father is known for a good lechon. Yeah, pig lechon. Because there's chicken lechon, so there's pig lechon. So a lot of people notice and recognize that he is good when it comes to roasting pig. So this is the pig. Mono siya ang naong sa pig when it comes to being roasted. You know, he has to swallow the bamboo. He doesn't have a choice. And it's almost done, I guess. Plus, there are others church members who are preparing the... Yeah, this is Ate Josephine and Tita Rosita.
Palitiran nga ko chinilas te.
Yeah, they're preparing humba. Oh yeah, humba. The pig is dead and it's humba.
106 kilos.
130.
Ang usa gabi nilayas.
Lagi?
Ay, nilayas siya.
Yeah. Maganin dakpan. Sige ta. Shell? Shell nga. Best in double S-H-E-L-L?
Kinasun ang shell.
Kinasun.
Yung anak double shell. Best of shell.
Ano man?
Tagadagat mong god.
Tagadagat. So this is the delicious humba. This is a Filipino food. Yeah. And as you can see, there's the boiling fat of the pork.
Padapti na matika kay amo nang
Yeah, they're helping. And this is of course rice, I guess. Yeah, it's rice. And there's Tatay Pedre.
Salamat.
Yeah. They're all preparing for this anniversary. So what's your secret of a good ato ni pangutanan si Papa. What's the secret of your good lechon? The spices, yeah. The spices. And ansam pa man pa?
Saktong timpla.
Right.
English na lang.
Yeah. And
Saktong baga.
insaktong baga. Yeah, kinahanglan ko na insaktong baga. Yeah.
Duration.
The duration of the
Duration.
cook. The duration of the time of cooking.
Pas, ila ko na sa ko. Pas.
Nga, saan na?